In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a manual email automation rule in Jira. We'll walk through this step by step, starting right from your Kanban project. First, open your Jira project and go to your Kanban space in the All Work view. This is where you normally see your issues or work items listed. Once you're there, look towards the top of the screen for the automation area or the highlighted entry that opens automation settings and click on that. From this view, choose the option to create a new automation. Jira will open the rule builder. If you see any leftover draft settings or prompts to keep unsaved changes, discard those changes so you're starting clean with a brand new rule. Now we'll define how this rule starts. In the trigger section, click the highlighted area to add a trigger and choose Manual Trigger from Work Item. This means the rule will only run when you or someone on your team manually runs it from a specific issue, which is ideal when you want full control and not an automatic event like status changes. You'll see several highlighted fields related to the trigger. Click through these highlighted areas to confirm or adjust any default options as needed. When you reach the Work Type field, select it and choose the type of work items this rule should apply to, such as tasks or stories. Use the highlighted drop-downs to confirm your selection, then continue clicking through the remaining highlighted sections until you're ready to move on. Next, click Add Condition. Here you can narrow down when the rule is allowed to run, for example, based on status or other fields. Click into the highlighted control, pick a simple condition that fits your process, then click Next to move forward. Now we define what happens when the rule runs successfully. In the Actions area, click where the interface indicates that actions will execute, then start typing in the highlighted search box to find the Send Email action. Select Send Email when it appears. In the email configuration screen, click the highlighted recipient field and start typing to search for the user or group you want to email. When the correct recipient appears in the list, click it to select. Then move to the highlighted subject and body fields and type the subject line and message content you want this automation to send. When everything looks good, click Next. Jira may prompt you to add a short description or name for this rule. Type that into the highlighted area so it's easy to recognize later. Back in the rule summary, click on the When Manually Triggered section to quickly review your trigger details, then close it. Finally, click Turn on Rule. If Jira asks you to confirm, add any final text in the highlighted confirmation field, then click Turn on Rule again. Your manual email automation rule is now active and ready to run from your work items.